Hey everybody, this is Sam and welcome to Production Level 1. This is going to be Lesson 1 and we're going to talk about MIDI controllers. Let's jump on in. Okay, so the lesson overview. Today we're going to be going over keyboards, drum pads, and musical typing. Okay, so what is a MIDI keyboard? Well, a MIDI keyboard is a controller that allows you to capture MIDI as a performance. Okay, so what is a drum pad? A controller that allows you to capture MIDI as a performance. So the question, what's the difference between a MIDI keyboard and a MIDI pad? Nothing is the answer to that. They're just ways of controlling what goes into the computer. So the point of understanding is MIDI controllers all do the same thing. However, the layouts are different. This means the controller used is determined by your workflow and your workflow alone, meaning your preference. So it doesn't actually matter what controller you're using as long as you like it and it helps you get your idea out. And that's going to bring us to musical typing, the third type of MIDI controller, okay? And this controller is going to allow you to capture MIDI as a performance using your computer's keyboard. So you don't actually need to get any type of MIDI controller at all because you have one built in with your computer. So we've gone over the three different types of MIDI controllers or how to capture MIDI performances. So the question to think on now becomes, how can I record audio into my DAW? And that reminds me to remind you to always ask questions. You're not the only person who has a question on any given topic, so do not hesitate to ask us questions on our YouTube channel. The more questions that are asked, the better we can tailor the upcoming courses within the Noisemakers Academy to better help the community grow and feel supported. Great job on this lesson. We'll see you on the next one.